Here you can see we have an LED blinking with a delay of half a second, but I didn't wrote the code. I got it generated from the ChatGPT. Now see, I no IDE for programming. I have it's on when pin is high. Generate me a code to blink this LED with a delay of 500 milliseconds, and it generated me this code which I just pasted it here on the Arduino IDE, and then see the same code, and then I simply uploaded it and it worked like a charm. Hello guys, welcome to learning microcontrollers. In this video I will show you how we can do coding of an Arduino Uno by taking help from an AI tool like ChatGPT or DeepSeek or whichever you prefer. I will prefer the ChatGPT, and I will show up you a practical application as well. Like we will be writing a code to blink an LED just for demonstration, and this will be a step-by-step demonstration. So let's get started. So guys, this is our Arduino Uno, the one I'm gonna use. It's easily available in the market. You may use Arduino Nano or Arduino Mega, or the Arduino Uno R3 version as well, the one having an SMD type 80 mega 328p microcontroller on it. But I'm gonna use this one. So guys, as you can see there, we have pin number 13, and as you know, this LED onboard LED of an Arduino Uno is connected to the pin number 13. So if I program this pin, this LED will turn on or off. So in this simple practical application or practical demonstration of programming an Arduino Uno using a ChatGPT, we will be blinking this LED with a delay of half second. After a half second it will turn off, and then after half second it will turn on. So it will be like this. So we will not write the code, we will generate the code. So let me show you the hardware, then we move on to the programming. So guys, this is the hardware. You can see this is our Arduino Uno, easily available in the market. So you can see with the pin number 13 we have this small L written here, this L over here, this is the LED. So it is connected on the PCB with the pin number 13, so you don't have to wire it up. So we will be blinking this LED, but we will not be writing the code, we will be generating the code using the AI tool. So the next thing is, you just turn on your Arduino IDE like this, and let me zoom in. Just go to File, click on New Sketch. This new window opens up. Close any previous window which opens by default. So only keep the one window open. So this is our one window that we are going to use, and make sure that your Arduino is connected. So let me connect the Arduino with the computer. I'm connecting its cable with a computer. Okay, it's connected to the computer. Okay, that's nice. Okay, now go to your browser, and on the browser you just write ChatGPT like this. Okay, various links pops up. You click on the first one, and there is the prompt. There is the prompt you have to write. Now this is the box in which you will write the prompt. Now this is important, how to write the prompt. So how to write the prompt? So I tell him that I have an Arduino Uno. First thing is to tell him what hardware you have. Number two, I have which IDE you are using. I am using Arduino IDE for programming. Okay, now tell him the pin layout, whatever components you have. Like in my case, I only have an LED, and that's the onboard LED. You may write the onboard LED, but I will write the proper pin on which the LED is connected. So I have an LED connected to pin 13, and also tell him the state, like it's on when pin is high. Like if I give 5 volt to the LED, it's on, else off. Okay, this line is not necessary here, but it will be useful in your future writing of the prompts. Like in case your LED is having a PNP transistor, in that case it is on when you give it a low state. By default it's on, and it will turn off once you give it the low state. Okay, it will only turn on when you give it 0. So that happens in many cases. So in that case, you have to mention over here that what is the on state and what is the off state of your hardware configuration, because ChatGPT is not generating the hardware, it's only going to generate the software. So when you are writing the prompt, you have to be very careful that you completely describe the hardware, else it will make mistakes. So I have an Arduino Uno. Okay, we told him the hardware we have. Then I told him I'm using Arduino IDE for programming. I have an LED connected to pin number 13. It's on when pin is high, else off. Okay, now I want you, okay, just write generate me a code to blink this LED with a delay of 500 millisecond, which is half second. Okay, press enter. Now wait. Okay, there you go, it has generated the code. Okay, now we copy the code and then we paste it in our Arduino IDE. This will make sure that if there is any error, we can ask him to correct it. Okay, like this, we verify the code and go there, check if any error. Okay, compiling sketch, done compiling, no error, that's perfect. Now what he is doing, he have just given pin 13 a name, LED pin. Then he initialized the pin or gave the pin a direction that LED pin is declared as output, because input is used if it was a button at this pin, because we are having an LED, so the pin must be declared as output. Now digital write, this is the command to give pin any state like high or low. So LED pin high, it goes high and it remains high for a delay of 500 milliseconds. That means half a second. And then it will turn the pin low, LED pin goes low, and then it will remain low for a half a second. So this is the code. Okay, now make sure that your Arduino is connected, Arduino Uno connected to COM12. That's perfect. Now click on upload button and go there, check. Uploading. Wait, okay, done uploading. Now go to the hardware to see is our generated code is working or not. Okay, see the LED is blinking, and it is blinking with a delay of half a second. So that's how you are going to do it. So first thing, you will just make the hardware, whatever the hardware you have, whatever the sensors you have. I will also show you how to write advanced codes with the help of AI tools on the Arduino IDE. So we will be doing that in the future videos. But for this, you must know that you must describe the hardware to the ChatGPT. Then you will get the code. And if there is any error in the code, you just bring that error here and tell him to rectify the code for me, and it will do that. So this is it for this video. So here we have a practical step-by-step understanding of generating a code with an Arduino with a ChatGPT for your Arduino Uno board. So we'll see you in the next lecture. So goodbye until then.